Episode 5, The River of Light, a journey through the electron transport chain. As you settle into a comfortable position, allow your breathing to become slow and effortless. Inhale gently, exhale completely. Again, a slow breath in and a peaceful breath out. Imagine yourself becoming smaller, smaller than a neuron, smaller than a synapse, until you enter one of the billions of neurons within your brain. Before you stands something extraordinary, a mitochondrion, one of the tiny power plants that tirelessly fuels every thought you have ever had. As you move closer, its inner membrane stretches before you like an illuminated mountain range, folded into glowing valleys called cristae. This is where life transforms energy into memory. Here begins the electron transport chain. Tiny electrons begin their journey. They arrive carrying energy harvested from the food that nourishes your body. Like travelers passing lanterns through the night, they move carefully from one protein complex to the next. Each transfer releases a little more energy, not wasted, never wasted. Instead, that energy quietly pumps countless hydrogen ions across the membrane, building a beautiful reservoir of potential energy. You watch as millions of these tiny glowing particles gather on one side of the membrane, a silent ocean of possibility. Then, the moment arrives. The hydrogen ions begin flowing home. They stream through magnificent molecular turbines called ATP synthase. Each rotation is graceful. Each revolution creates something precious. ATP, the universal energy currency of every living cell. Each molecule shines like a tiny star. Billions are produced every second, every one carrying the energy needed for thought, attention, learning, memory. Now imagine these glowing ATP molecules traveling outward from the mitochondria. They move through the neuron like rivers of living light. They arrive at synapses. They power the release of neurotransmitters. They strengthen connections between neurons. They help build new pathways that did not exist before today. With every breath, more ATP is created. With every breath, your brain is supplied with the energy it needs to learn. Feel gratitude for these invisible workers. They have never stopped. Since the day you were born, every moment, every heartbeat, every memory, powered by countless mitochondria working together in extraordinary harmony. Notice something remarkable. The ability to learn is not only found in your mind, it is supported by trillions of molecular events happening every second, an immense orchestra, perfectly coordinated, quietly creating the energy that allows you to become a wiser version of yourself. As your breathing continues, imagine each inhale bringing fresh oxygen, the final receiver of the electrons. Without oxygen, this journey could not be completed. With oxygen, the chain continues, energy continues, learning continues, growth continues. Allow your entire brain to glow with a calm blue-white bioluminescence. Every neuron illuminated, every synapse strengthened, every mitochondrion producing another spark of possibility. Repeat silently. My mind is powered by living energy. Every breath supports learning. Every day I strengthen my mind. Every new memory is built with light, energy, and life. I am always becoming more capable than I was yesterday. Take one final slow breath in. Exhale gently, and carry this quiet awareness with you, knowing that even now, deep within every neuron, tiny rivers of electrons continue their timeless journey, creating the energy that makes every future thought, idea, and memory possible. Visual concept. Picture a glowing blue bioluminescent landscape inside a mitochondrion. The cristae resemble luminous mountain ridges, Electrons flow like tiny golden comets along crystalline pathways. Hydrogen ions drift as glowing blue fireflies, and an enormous transparent ATP synthase slowly turns like an elegant water wheel, releasing brilliant ATP stars that stream upward into a vast glowing neural network. The entire scene should feel peaceful, cosmic, and mesmerizing rather than mechanical, something viewers can comfortably meditate on for 8 to 10 minutes.